Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're taking a close look at a program that's designed to prepare you for the future of business. The Professional Certificate Program in AI-Powered Decision-Making from IIM Kozhikode in collaboration with Simplilearn. This isn't just another online course, it's a comprehensive leadership-focused journey that equips you with the skills to drive AI-led transformation in your organization. The influence of AI is no longer a subject for science fiction. It is a current and critical reality in the business world. Statistics show a significant shift, with 78% of companies globally now using AI in at least one business function. This is a clear indicator that AI has become deeply integrated into critical areas like IT, marketing, sales, and finance. The program also highlights the explosive growth of generative AI, with 71% of organizations adopting it. The return on investment is compelling, with an average of 3.7 times return per dollar invested and productivity gains ranging from 15 to 30%, and in some cases up to 80%. The message is clear: AI is not just a tool for tech teams, it's a strategic asset for business leaders. This program is specifically designed for professionals with at least 5 years of work experience. It's aimed at a diverse group, including business leaders who want to integrate AI into their strategic planning, managers and team leads who need to manage AI projects, consultants who want to enhance their expertise, and entrepreneurs looking to incorporate AI for a competitive advantage. Even technology leaders and data science professionals who want to understand the strategic side of AI will find this program valuable. The goal is to help you move from simply being aware of AI to confidently implementing it at an enterprise level. The program structure is a 10-month journey delivered through live online sessions and includes a mandatory 3-day campus immersion at IIM Kozhikode. This unique blend of online and in-person learning is designed to provide you with a high-intensity classroom experience and access to a scenic campus. The curriculum is developed and delivered by esteemed IIM Kozhikode faculty, ensuring you receive world-class instruction and thought-provoking insights. The learning path is a comprehensive one, starting with foundational knowledge and progressing to advanced applications. It begins with modules like Business Fundamentals for the AI Age and Navigating the AI Landscape, which provide an overview of key business functions and the AI ecosystem. You'll then delve into the technical aspects in modules such as building high-quality data for AI success and applied machine learning for business leaders, covering everything from data pre-processing to classification and regression. The curriculum also includes specialized modules like Language AI, from sentiment to strategy, to help you understand natural language processing and text analysis. A key strength of this program is its focus on cross-functional AI expertise. You'll learn to apply AI techniques across different business domains through dedicated modules such as Transforming Marketing with AI and Gen AI, Financial Foresight with AI Tools, Operational Excellence through AI and Automation, and AI-Powered Workforce Strategy and Talent Analytics. This ensures you can drive innovation and deliver measurable results in your specific field. The program culminates in a capstone project, which allows you to apply your knowledge to a real-world business challenge and develop a personalized AI playbook. Throughout the course, you'll gain hands-on proficiency with a variety of industry-standard tools. The program mentions tools like Excel, Power BI, Google Analytics, Gemini, and Claude. The curriculum also stresses the importance of responsible AI leadership by addressing ethical, regulatory, and governance challenges. Upon successful completion of the program, participants will receive a certificate from IIM Kozhikode and will qualify for executive alumni status, giving them access to a valuable professional network. This program is a perfect blend of academic rigor from IIM Kozhikode's world-class faculty and practical real-world application, making it an ideal choice for leaders who are ready to transition from AI awareness to enterprise implementation. The program starts soon, so if you're ready to kickstart your career in AI business journey, now is the time. Click the link in the description to apply now and start your journey toward a high-paying, exciting career in AI. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more career-transforming opportunities like this. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. We will be happy to help you.